Alright, let's settle this once and for all. How do EV batteries actually work? I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and if you've ever plugged in your phone and wished your car would just charge up like that too, you're in the right place. Okay, picture this. Your car's battery is like a gigantic energy lunchbox. Instead of PB&J sandwiches, it's packed with electricity. Now, inside this lunchbox there are loads of tiny battery cells. Imagine a bunch of AA batteries at a family reunion, all working together to power your electric car. So how does it all go down? Well, when you plug your EV into the charger, you're basically filling up this lunchbox with energy snacks. The battery stores this electricity using chemistry. Yeah, remember chemistry class? This is the one time it's actually cool. Inside each cell there are two main parts, the anode and the cathode. Think of them like two rival siblings fighting over a toy. The toy here is something called an electron. When you press the accelerator, electrons sprint from the anode to the cathode through a circuit, making your car go vroom, but silently because, you know, EVs. But what about charging? Well, it's like reversing the sibling rivalry. When you plug in, the charger forces those electrons back to where they started, ready for another round of, "Are we there yet?" Now, you might have heard scary stories about batteries exploding or catching fire. But trust me, modern EV batteries have more safety features than a paranoid parent wrapping their kid in bubble wrap. There are sensors, cooling systems, and smart software making sure everything stays chill, literally. And get this, EV batteries aren't just for driving. Some people use old car batteries to power their homes. It's the ultimate battery life hack. So next time someone says, "How do those fancy electric cars even work?" you can tell them it's just a bunch of AA batteries having a party, electrons running relays, and a bit of science magic. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more fun explanations you can actually use to impress your friends, or at least win arguments on the internet. Catch you in the next one.